Superbox claims to revolutionize your streaming experience, but does it really deliver? With so many options out there, it's tough to know which ones are worth your time and money. Let's dive in and see if Superbox lives up to the hype. Superbox is essentially a streaming device that aims to consolidate your favorite shows, movies, and live TV into one user-friendly platform. Right off the bat, the interface looks sleek and modern, making navigation feel pretty intuitive. You can access a variety of streaming services, which is a big plus, but the real question is how well it performs in practice. One thing that stands out is the promise of a vast library of content, which sounds fantastic. However, the specifics on content availability are a bit murky. It's also designed to cater to a wide audience from casual viewers to serious binge watchers, but I can't help but wonder about the reliability of the streaming quality. Users might find themselves frustrated with buffering or lagging, especially during peak times. Overall, while the concept is solid, there are still some gaps in clarity regarding what exactly you're getting for your money. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Superbox offers a sleek design and an easy-to-navigate interface. It has the potential for a broad range of content which could appeal to many users. However, there are some concerns. The pricing might be a sticking point for some, especially if the content library doesn't meet expectations. Plus, there's a lack of transparency about the specific streaming services available, which could leave potential buyers feeling uncertain. For those who are heavy users of specific platforms, this could be a deal breaker. And let's not forget the tech issues. If the device struggles with connectivity or lag, it could lead to a frustrating viewing experience. So while it has its strengths, it might not be for everyone. In conclusion, Superbox could be a good fit for those looking for an all-in-one streaming solution, but it's not without its drawbacks. If you value a clear, reliable streaming experience, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like a mixed bag worth considering, but definitely do your research first.